In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a tax extension so you have more time to file, not to pay. If you're feeling crunched by the filing deadline, an extension is a simple way to get extra time to submit your return. Just remember, it does not delay any taxes you might owe. You still need to pay your estimated amount by the original deadline to avoid interest and potential penalties. Let's walk through the process together so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your tax software and look for the section labeled Tax Tools. This is often found in the sidebar or under a main menu. Click Tax Tools to open the Utilities panel. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the menu or switching to a Tools or Settings view. Different layouts may place it in slightly different spots, but it's the same idea. Next, click Tools. This takes you to a set of options designed to manage your tax file, forms, and special tasks. From there, choose File an Extension. This is the option that prepares the official extension request for the current tax year. Selecting it will start a guided flow that gathers what's needed to submit the extension electronically. Now, enter the required info. The software will prompt you for basic personal and tax-related details, such as your filing status, address, and an estimate of your total tax liability for the year alongside any payments you've already made. Take a moment to be as accurate as you reasonably can. If you're unsure, it's better to make a good faith estimate using your year-to-date income and withholdings. Estimating thoughtfully helps reduce the chance of underpayment penalties. If you filed last year, using that as a rough reference can be helpful, especially if your situation hasn't changed much. Once everything is filled out, submit the extension request. Before you finalize, give your entries a quick review to make sure nothing looks off. After you submit, you should receive a confirmation on screen, and in many cases, an emailed acknowledgement as well. Save or download any confirmation number or PDF the system provides so you have proof the extension was filed successfully. A quick but important tip: even with an approved extension, you still need to pay estimated taxes if they apply to you. An extension only extends your time to file the paperwork. It does not extend the time to pay. Making a timely estimated payment can help you avoid interest and penalties. That's all there is to it. With the extension filed, you'll have extra time to gather documents, double-check